أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
والفجر.
In the name of Allah, the most compassionate, most merciful, by the dawn,
وليال عشر.
and the 10 nights,
والشفع والوتر.
and the even and the odd,
والليل إذا يسر.
and the night when it passes.
هل في ذلك قسم لذي حجر.
Is all this not a sufficient oath for those who have sense?
ألم تر كيف فعل ربك بعاد.
Did you not see how your Lord dealt with Ad,
إرم ذات العماد.
the people of Iram, with their great stature,
التي لم يخلق مثلها في البلاد.
unmatched in any other land?
وثمود الذين جابوا الصخر بالواد.
And Thamud, who carved their homes into the rocks in the stone valley,
وفرعون ذي الأوتاد.
and the Pharaoh of mighty structures,
الذين طغوا في البلاد.
they all transgressed throughout the land,
فأكثروا فيها الفساد.
spreading much corruption there.
صب عليهم ربك سوط عذاب.
So your Lord unleashed on them a scourge of punishment.
إن ربك لبالمرصاد.
For your Lord is truly vigilant.
فأما الإنسان إذا ما ابتلاه ربه فأكرمه ونعمه فيقول ربي أكرمن.
Now, whenever a human being is tested by their Lord through his generosity and blessings, they boast, "My Lord has deservedly honored me."
وأما إذا ما ابتلاه فقدر عليه رزقه فيقول ربي أهانن.
But when he tests them by limiting their provision, they protest, "My Lord has undeservedly humiliated me."
كلا بل لا تكرمون اليتيم.
Absolutely not. In fact, you are not even gracious to the orphan,
ولا تحاضون على طعام المسكين.
nor do you urge one another to feed the poor.
وتأكلون التراث أكلا لما.
And you devour others' inheritance greedily,
وتحبون المال حبا جما.
and love wealth fervently.
كلا إذا دكت الأرض دكا دكا.
Enough, when the earth is entirely crushed over and over,
وجاء ربك والملك صفا صفا.
and your Lord comes to judge with angels, rank upon rank.
وجيء يومئذ بجهنم يومئذ يتذكر الإنسان وأنى له الذكرى.
And hell is brought forth on that day. This is when every disbelieving person will remember their own sins. But what is the use of remembering then?
يقول يا ليتني قدمت لحياتي.
They will cry, "I wish I had sent forth something good for my true life."
فيومئذ لا يعذب عذابه أحد.
On that day he will punish them severely, like no other,
ولا يوثق وثاقه أحد.
and bind them tightly, like no other.
يا أيتها النفس المطمئنة.
Allah will say to the righteous, "O tranquil soul,
ارجعي إلى ربك راضية مرضية.
return to your Lord, well pleased with him and well pleasing to him.
فادخلي في عبادي.
So join my servants,
وادخلي جنتي.
and enter my paradise."